All right, now using park assist inside of the Escape, it's a very straightforward process. So as we start to move down, you can see we've got this little P button. So that's going to help us with the park assist. When we press the button, we've got a couple options that come up. We've got the ability for the vehicle to help us with parallel parking, perpendicular parking, or our parallel park out. So for this instance, what we're going to do is we're going to do a perpendicular park, I should say. It's going to default look on the right-hand side. That's going to be the same for parallel parking as well. But if we hit our turn signal, if we go to the left, as we can see, it's now going to look on the left-hand side. So whether you go to the left or the right is going to depend on which way you flick the signal, but it will always default to the right-hand side. And now all we're going to do is follow the instructions that come up on the screen. So we're going to start driving forward, space found. Okay, and we're going to stop. And we're going to follow the instructions on the screen. So it's telling us to release the steering wheel, so make sure your hand's off the wheel. And we're going to shift into neutral and take our foot off the brake after we do that. So we're going to switch into neutral. And it's going to tell us to release the brake and hold the park button. So we're going to take our foot off the brake. As you can see, we're holding in place now. And we're just going to press and hold this P button. So we're going to press and hold, and the vehicle is going to do the rest. So it's taking over the steering wheel. Literally, all I'm doing is pressing that P button. Ooh. You're getting close there, car. Give me a little bit of a heart attack. All right, there we go. As you can see, it's doing everything for us. It's working the gas, it's working the brake, it's switching gears automatically. We've got a little countdown timer. It's letting us know how long between the next step, but it is literally doing everything for us. Love it, love it, love it. And there we go. It is done. Really that simple, and it's automatically shifted us into park as well.